Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones XIAOMI Buds 3T Pro. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend it to install the application to enable a lot of features here. So the first one is these headphones have noise cancelling, and more of that, it have 3 modes, so you can choose the best one for you. Deep is the best one for me, but it's up to you. Also, it have adaptive noise cancellation, so you can enable and it will change. Next one, you have transparency mode, and of course you have 2 modes here: enhance voice or regular, so it's also up to you. Next one, these headphones have in-ear detection, so it's cool. I guess you will use it. You can enable it in the app. And of course ear tip fit test, so you can check is it good sitting on your ears or no. And these headphones also have dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to your headphones. Cool. And the last one, these headphones have a good microphone. I tested, and I hear myself clearly when I speak normally or softly, and also it mutes street sounds, so it almost we can't hear it almost, these street sounds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.